Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's close to our hearts: healthy meal prep ideas for busy lifestyles and professionals. Meal prep is an essential life hack for those of us who are constantly on the go. It not only saves time, but it also ensures you're getting the right nutrients and energy throughout the day. And that's why we're here today, to share some easy and nutritious meal prep recipes and tips that will make your life simpler and healthier. Our first tip is to stock up on simple ingredients, things like veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and herbs, spices. These ingredients are versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, making your meal prep quicker and easier. Next up is our favorite: batch cooking. Pick a day of the week when you have more time on your hands and cook up a storm. This way, you have meals ready for the entire week. Now let's dive into some simple, yet delicious meals. Breakfast: a bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts. We love it. Lunch: a salad with mixed greens, veggies, nuts, chicken, or fish. Delicious. Dinner: a stir-fry with veggies, tofu, or chicken. Easy peasy. And for those snack cravings, bowl eggs for a quick protein boost, or whip up some hummus for dipping veggies. Yum. And there you have it. With these simple tips and recipes, you'll be well on your way to healthy meal prepping. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking.